Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure you can edit the report and that the sync pane is visible. Once done, add slicers using the same field you want synchronized. This is why consistency matters. Make sure slicers use identical data types and hierarchies so filters behave predictably. You'll place the first slicer on the page you consider primary. Then pause to verify the values and formatting match across pages before moving to sync settings. Now you configure which pages receive the slicer state. Select the slicer, open the sync pane, and tick sync for each target page. This copies the filter behavior. Optionally tick visible to show the slicer on that page. Leave it unchecked to sync silently. Repeat for every slicer you need synchronized. Make a selection and navigate pages to confirm the filter persisted. If multiple slicers interact, check their filter direction and cross-filtering. Finish by saving and testing the user flow end-to-end. Publish to the service if needed and verify behavior for viewers. If syncing doesn't work, first confirm the slicers reference the exact same field and data type. Mismatched fields break sync. Also inspect bookmarks, page-level filters, or visual-level filters that can override slicer state. Finally, verify report permissions and that you synchronized on the correct pages. Fixing any of these usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.